Hello guys, welcome back to my channel once again. Today this is CN on the screen. You are watching CN Great Counsels and Forex Trade. I'm just gonna take on a trade right away. Okay, it's a trade that I hope would go for long. That's why I'm not gonna take on a huge lot size, right? Look at it. This is not this is actually my real account, as you can see, right guys? So it's a trade that I hope would go long. That's why I'm taking on this trade right now, right? This is 15 minutes time frame, and I may likely, let me go landscape so that you'll understand the analysis I'm going to make. Now this is crash 1000, and it's most likely going to go till this is a huge market. Anyways, let me go portrait so that you see what I mean. This is gonna be huge market, and this market may push up even till maybe somewhere around here. Let me bring out my brush, right, till it makes a touch on this upper trend line, right? So when I did the analysis on pairs early this year, the first few videos that I did not include crash 1000, but I discovered it's been making a particular move. If you go to higher time frame, like 1 hour, it's been making this move and respecting this trend line all the way from up, right, as you can see, and it's really descending. Okay, this is actually a descending channel, right, as you can see, and it's making a touch to the upside and to the downside, respecting this trend line. So I decided to put this trade and to also use this opportunity to answer some questions that you guys have been asking. You know, I will leave a link in the description box of this video, the link on the video on how to handle spikes, how to manage spikes. I've made such video before, and it's been there since last year. So I'd like you guys to check in the description box of this video to see the link to that particular video. And as I'm uploading this video now, you can take on this trade because it's a trade that will that is tended to capture the move of the day, or probably till tomorrow. So if you have an equity to hold, you can take on this trade, and then you put your stop loss. Where are you going to put your stop loss? You can go to higher time frame like the 4 hours time frame, and then you put your stop loss below this place, below here, directly below this place, right? Don't make it so close so that if it spikes, you don't get kicked out of the market. You can make your stop loss, put it below that place, below this place. The market does not really have any support. As it's descending, it's creating support for itself, right? Support and resistance, but you just have to put your stop loss below the low point, right? Below the low point, and then your TP is towards, let me zoom in. Your TP is gonna be towards this place. Beg your pardon, please. Your TP is gonna be towards this place. Let me bring my cross. Your TP is gonna be towards this place when the market wants to make a touch to the upper side of the trend line. You exit your trade, right? Because this is descending, as you can see. This actually, if you look very well, you discover that this is actually a kind of double top or M. Okay, and the second leg of the M is almost completed on a higher time frame. So the market may likely push up for a while, at least touching this. But you know, this is a higher time frame. If you go to a lower time frame, is a big market indeed. So I'm expecting the market to push at least, yes, just the way you can see, right? But let me do it this way. I'm expecting the market to push up at least to make another touch before we'll be looking at whether it's going to break to keep pushing up, or to come back to continue making touches on the two trend line that makes up the descending what is it called, descending channel, right? Just as you can see, guys. So this video may not be that long, but I want to also answer another question before I say goodbye for today. Is it possible to trade without losing trades? The answer is practical no. You can trade for a long time without having losses, but it is impossible for you to trade Forex without having losses at all. You can have highly profitable strategies that you can trade with for a very long time, but one of these days, that's why we don't really have. I am yet to develop completely zero loss strategy, right? I'm yet to develop completely zero loss strategy. The fact that the strategy is 99.9% accurate does not rule out the fact that you can lose at one point in time. That 0.1% that is left could be an unfortunate time for you at a particular time, and you lose your trades, right? But that doesn't mean the strategy isn't working again, or that doesn't mean it has failed, right? It simply defines a particular characteristics of the Forex, which of course my students know what I'm talking about, right? So it is practically impossible for now. If I come up with a completely zero loss strategy, of course I will lay it out to you guys, right? So you should equip yourself with such understanding, equip your mind with such understanding that there might be a time that you are going to lose trade, but the goal should be that your winnings should be more than your losses, right? So that's just it. So check in the description box of this video and you see a video, the link to a video on how to handle spikes on boom and crash. Is an epic video that will stand the test of time. Whenever you are using my strategy, stick to it. The instructions I gave in that video, and you are good to go, guys. So please, no matter how profitable or how really accurate the strategies you see on this channel or in any other channel could be, please, you still need a few other things that you can combine to make your trading worthwhile, right? I mentioned it, things you need to learn, especially in this new year. I mentioned it in the video I uploaded about 2 or 3 days ago, right? So take a look at the video again, watch it, and learn the things you need to learn so that you maximize whatever strategy that is being given to you. I mentioned them, right? And I use that knowledge to see what the market is doing here now, talking about market structure, right? So, and I'm able to know, I combine structure and pattern here. And as you can see, this is my live account, and whatever size, lot size, I've been talking to you for some minutes now. The trade is still in profit, right? So imagine if I use huge lot size and I want to scalp, I would have gone out of the market since with my profit. So it's no magic at all. It's not pleasant coincidence. It's analysis. Give your time to it. Learn and understand. Learn to earn more, right? So many thanks for watching this video, guys, for today. Meanwhile, I'll still be uploading great contents on this channel. Do good to like this video, share it with your friends, share it with fellow traders, and then let's reach larger number of audience, right, guys? So do good to also subscribe to my channel if you are new on this channel, and let's take you on a ride. This is CN Great Counsels signing out for today, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Stay safe and bye.